We were created in the image and likeness of God. So we are also a God, not God as the sublime, but we are also a God. We have the attributes and nature of divinity within ourselves.
I am here with my regular guest, Mr. F.P. Mensah.
You are divine and you forgot that you are divine. Not that you lose your divinity, but nobody loses his or her divinity. So the whole idea of self-realization is realizing, coming to the remembrance of your divinity.
Alignment. How do we align?
When we talk about alignment is basically